The sides of a triangle are given by A equals to 9, B equals to 10, and C equals to 11. Find and the angle B. Okay, let us begin. Now clearly this is an oblique triangle because these sides are not equal to each other. So we're going to consider a triangle with three different sides. The longest side, let's go denoted by C, that's going to 11, and the shortest side we will denote it by A, that's equals to 9, and then the side the remaining side, that will be B will be equals to 10. So now that we have identified the sides of the triangle, let's also identify the angles. So the angle which is opposite to side A, that will be denoted by A. Then the angle opposite to B will be denoted by B in uppercase, and C will be the angle opposite to the side C. So here we have the triangle ABC. Our goal will be to determine the angle measure of B. Okay. And that's a very simple task. So let's note down whatever we have been provided here. So here we have A equals to 9, we have B that's equals to 10, and then we have C that's equals to 11. Okay, all we have to do is use the formula. Since we want to find out angle B, so we'll take cosine of angle B. So here we're using the law of cosines. The law of cosines states that cosine of B is going to be equals to C squared plus A squared minus B squared whole divided by 2 times the product of the side C and side A. Let's substitute the value. So C will be 11. We have 11 squared. Added to A squared, so that's 9 squared. Minus B, so that's 10 squared. Whole divided by 2 times C. So C, that's 11 times A. So A here is 9. So when we simplify this, we are going to get 17 over 33. So we have obtained cosine of angle B. So that's 17 over 33. Now what we do? In order to find out the angle B, all we have to do is take the inverse function on both sides. So B is going to be the inverse cosine, or we can say the arc cosine of 17 over 33. Now when we plug this into a calculator, that is going to give us an angle measure of 58.992, or you can say this is approximately 59 degrees. So that is going to be the angle measure of B.